Here are the 5 websites where you can learn hacking. 1. Hacking tutorial.
At Hacking Tutorial, you'll find a list of resources that'll teach you some in-depth tricks to hacking various apps, operating systems, and devices. Some examples of the content you'll find here include tutorials like how to bypass Windows App Locker, hacking news, phone hacking tips, reviews of online hacking tools, a significant library of free hacking ebooks and reports. The articles are usually short, and the grammar isn't always perfect. However, many include highly technical, step-by-step instructions on how to do the task at hand.
2. Hack a Day.
Hack a Day is a blog made for engineers. It's less about hacking with code, and more about hacking just about anything. Posts include innovative projects including robotic builds, modifying vintage electronics and gadgets, and much more. Over the years, Hack a Day has transformed the site into a fairly popular blog. This site redefines the meaning of the word hacking by helping you learn how to hack electronic devices like a Game Boy or a digital camera and completely modifying it.
3. Hack in the Box.
Hack in the Box has really changed significantly over the years. The site is actually made up of 4 major subdomains, each with a specific purpose meant to serve hackers around the world. The site remains focused on security and ethical hacking. The news and the magazine sections showcase frequently updated content specifically for hackers or those learning to hack. This site is less of a place to go for actually technical hacking tips, and more of a daily spot to get your latest fix of online hacking news. Hack in the Box is a great resource for news for anyone interested in the latest gossip throughout the international hacking community.
4. Hack This Site.
HackThisSite.org is one of the coolest, free programmer training sites where you can learn how to hack. Just accept one of the challenges along the left navigation pane of the main page. The site designers offer various missions. This is where you need to figure out the vulnerability of a site and then attempt to use your newfound hacking skills to hack the web page. Missions include basic, realistic, application, programming and many others.
5. Cybrary.
If you're looking to kickstart a career in white-hat cybersecurity, Cybrary is a great resource. Here, you'll find hundreds of free courses covering areas like Microsoft Server security, doing security assessments, penetration testing, and a collection of CompTIA courses as well. The site includes forums, practice labs, educational resources, and even a job board. Whether you're just starting to consider a cybersecurity career, or you're already in the middle of one, this site is a good one to bookmark.
If you like this video, then please do subscribe, comment, and like the video.